Wonder who that is. Let's go check it out.
Wondering if it's one of my packages I'm expecting.
Good morning, sir. I get a package for... my will is Dylan. My God, I saw your videos on YouTube. They're amazing. Could you maybe do a shout out for me on your YouTube channel? That would be dope. Well, sir, here's your package. Enjoy it. I will for sure. Thanks a lot. See you later. Bye.
Ooh, yeah. I think my helmet came in. Let's start unpacking. Oh, yeah. Let's check this pretty bad boy out. Look at this. Thanks a lot, Noblemantech. I'm really curious how it turned out. Here we go. Nice sticker. Ooh, you even get a nice carrying bag. Look at this. Nice and clean. That's pretty handy. There it is. Some extra stickers. You get 3 stickers in total. And then a small protection and caution information. And then a diagram for the helmet, how to wear it, and now how not to wear it. And now, la pièce de résistance. Ooh, nice, you get extra padding. That's good for you in the winter. I wonder if you can, if it fits earphones, but no. It does, I think. No, it doesn't. And then the helmet itself. Ooh, look at that. Nice and clean. My world is Dylan. It's nicely lasered into the helmet. The finish is really clean. Special color as well. It's like mint green. And the front feels, yeah, it's rubber-like. It's really good when you put it down. Against damage, so that's really handy. It's also grippy, so it won't slip that fast. You have an adjustment belt here, which is pretty handy. It has this special mechanism for securing the belt. It's like a sliding mechanism. Kind of feels like with a magnet. Really pops in really easy. And pops out same way. Just push from the top. It also comes with a special sleeve for in the winter, which is really great. Not a lot of helmets provide that. Can't wait to test this puppy out, so let's do it.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
that was it for the ride. So let me sit down first. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is that the helmet is like really comfortable. So yeah, the adjustment belt on the back, which is pretty handy like with snowboard helmets and stuff. So, and this mechanism, I really love it. I really adore it. So it's actually a mechanism with magnets, which makes it click in really easy. All you have to do is press in this downwards actually, and it comes loose. But when you want to connect it while you're putting on your helmet, see, it's easy. So easy. So yeah. So the helmet, yeah, it's really snug. You can adjust it with the adjustment belt here. I like the color, the way they engrave the logos. It's really nice and refined, good quality, the lasering. So, and like I mentioned before, the rubber borders, it's really handy. Like in this situation, you just put it down on a concrete table. You don't have to be afraid for scratching it up on the borders. So that's, yeah, really easy. So, okay, I actually have to wait a little for the police sound because it was getting way too much. But to wrap it up, let's start with the pros of this helmet. So as I mentioned before, the rubber border, it's really a good choice. It helps the helmet to protect it from scratching when you drop it down. Also the fact that the color is really popping, it's nice, it's noticeable, so that's a good thing as well. You also have to consider the fact that the straps, it's really easy system, works really well. Not a lot of helmets use it, so yeah, that's also a pro. The fact that they engrave logos, emblems, anything, they laser engrave it. You can even use a special reflective material so it pops the light back right at you. So now the cons, there's only one con and it's actually a personal one, it's the color as well. To me personally, it's because I love the color, but it's harder to mix and match with clothing. But that's actually it. Many people won't be even bothered by it. So that wraps it up. I want to thank Noblemantech for sending me this helmet and review it. I'm really pleased with the product. I'm really pleased how they communicate. They're really communicative. They really reply to your messages on social media, email. You don't get that a lot these days, so that's really a big thing. I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like and maybe subscribe. Sharing is caring, guys. And if you're really interested in e-skate content, make sure to check out my other videos. And guys, remember, don't be a fool, wrap your tool. See you guys later.